Hi people, this is Nettie again. Oh God, I had to do it all over. You know me. I talk. I'm supposed to talk about one thing. I say I'm going to talk about this, but then I talk about something else. So I'm trying to cut that and go straight to the point. Okay, straight to the point. Look at this. Ain't it beautiful? It has one pepper. It has one up here. Let me see if I could show you right there. Has another pepper. Look at all these. These they grow a whole bunch, but they don't grow all. You know, like over here, you could see right there. They're all dead, I guess. But they took the pepper out because you could tell that right there it has like a little ball. It looks like they took the pepper out. This it was bought in the store. There was a lot of peppers, all like this with beautiful peppers in it. And let me turn it this way so you can see. Right there is even better to see. Like, oh, there you go. So, as you can see, it was full of peppers, and this other part has another pepper here, right there. So, that's cool. I'm going to try to protect this one. I added a little bit of Miracle Grow. It has, that Miracle Grow has a lot of compost. So really, you don't really have to put anything else. So I put that, plus I added, I call it coffee tea and Epsom salt, which I got to buy Epsom salt. I had stopped using it. I don't know why. I forget things, I forget to remember to use it, and I just found it. I said, oh, look at this, I haven't put this in a while, and the plants are growing beautifully. This is the parsley. It's all bent. I don't know if I'm supposed to, is leggy or what. If you anybody knows about parsley, how they're supposed to grow, I'm gonna, because I still left some space, as you can see right here, this space I could put more dirt on top of it, but I don't know if you could cover it or not. So if anybody knows about this, please let me know. And I have the other pepper that it almost died. And here it is. It's starting to give shoots. I cut the top because the top was like, I don't know, like a little messed up. I don't know what happened to it. So I cut it up. And now she's growing again. So I'm giving her, how you call it, tea. The tea that I make with the Epsom salt and the coffee tea, I don't put pure grains, because I find that some plants don't like it. They like kind of suffocate. It gets like hard, and they start dying. So that's why I use the tea and not the ground, you know, because I think that the tea is not going to hurt it. You could put, you don't have to worry, oh, am I putting too much? Oh, am I putting a little bit? Oh, what I'm doing. I just dump it in there and they like it. I wet them with that instead of just plain water. So they like it. So if they like it, I like it. So, this is already grown. And I found a few plants that I don't know what they are, but I'm going to keep them right here. I don't know what they are. There are two plants there. When I find out what it is, then I'll, how you call it? I'll check it. I put peppers here. They're growing something here. I don't know. See, it's like 3 little dots there. So I put a lot of peppers here, so just to see if anyone will grow. Pepper is kind of expensive here. You could get 2 peppers for $3-4. It's not worth it. So I'd rather get the pepper. And this is the second fruit that is trying to grow. So I don't know if they're gonna grow or not because the heat dries them out. But what I did was down here I have moist. It's moist because that's the Miracle Grow. It doesn't dry so fast. So this will help it out because it already is coming out the roots to the bottom. So when this get a little bigger, I'll probably chop the top off because I don't want it to grow big, giant, Like I had the other one that was very big. I had to tie it up all over here and let it go that way, and So I don't want to do that. I want to, to keep it small and just right for my condition. Also, I have, look how the pepper went. Yeah, this is the pepper that I cut the tips, and they just went crazy. I cut the leaves mostly because look how big the leaves are. And if you're in a heat, a whole bunch of these leaves, and you're in a heat, look at that one. And the ones I cut was way bigger than these. So if you're in a heat and you have all this all over you, plus the sun is hitting on you because when it's not raining, the sun comes this way and gives how you call it? It gives it sun. So they're in the right place. I got them basically the little ones. That's why I got the little ones down here and the bigger ones up here, except for this one, you know. But they like it, and they enjoying it. And I just cut that I think like 2 weeks ago, and they went wild, giving how you call it? These are hise, sweet ones. They're like a little small pepper thing. I don't know why they call it hise. To me, it's pepper. So anyway, I also want to show you something. Hold on. You're gonna wonder why I'm doing this. Okay. Look at the floor. That's not dirt. No, 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 no. That, you know what it is? Is these flies when it rains real a lot, they come flying. They fly around the light, and if you don't close the door and shut the light off, if they don't find no light, because they like the light. I don't know, for some reason. Probably it warms them up or something. So if you don't close the door and shut the lights up, they'll drive you crazy. Yes, crazy. Why? Because they could go into your ears, and you drinking a cup of coffee and boom, there's one right there. You watching TV and you feel like something's in your face. Then you turn over, then you look at TV again and you got one in the back or something. They're very pesty. So what we do is I always use the roach spray. Naturally, we do it here, but we do it straight to the light right there. We don't do it toward the plants. On my plants, I don't want it with no pesticide. So I try my best to do it, upwards, or I do it on the floor. You know, the thing is that I don't spray it all crazy. So I don't want to do that. So I just got up. It's 11 o'clock, 11:30, I think, and I get my granddaughters at 1:30. So I gotta hurry up. And I wanted to show you something else. I forgot what it was. Oh yes, I think I remember. Give me a little break. Pulling this wooch is like, trying to hold a camera. Oh, my tomatoes. What happened to my tomato? Oh man, somebody broke it. That must have been a lizard. The lizards are like, maybe now they leave everything alone. With the heat, they can't seem to fight. They start grabbing anything they can to eat. Let me see if it grows. At least I got one. I had three. One is gone. Oh shoot! Somebody ate it. It's not there. It was three. It was one here, and one here. Wait, wait, wait. You're not seeing me. One here, and one here in the middle. Because I was gonna do like I did last year. No, the year before. That I put it and I laid it all the way down. I'll put a link in the bottom so you could see how beautiful that plant was. And it lasted me a year, in good health. At the year she died, I planted the seeds, but I had this kind of problem. They were breaking off. But it was really the chicken, not the lizard. I didn't even think a lizard could do that. But it still has a little bottom, and with the wetness of it could probably grow. I hope so. So let me go to show you what I wanted to show you. Give me a break. Ah. I'm almost getting there. I'm almost getting there. Okay, look how beautiful. They gave me a little stem. Yeah, a little piece of this. A little stem. And it grew to this. They gave me this, like, I think, like 2 months ago. My cousin. And I still don't know what it is. If somebody knows what it is, it's medicinal, but I don't know for what. If it's for stomach aches, you do tea with it. Is it that if you get cut, you put it on and it heals your cut? I don't know. So I don't dare try drinking this or eating it, because I don't know, what it is. It might not be good for drinking, as tea or something like that. So I don't want to, use that unless. And I also got Vicks. You know, I never knew that there was a Vicks plant. I always thought that was like a chemical thing. No, but there's a Vicks plant. They awesome though, and they smell good when you cut them. And look, yes, this is the biggest one I got, the biggest one. And then you have, look at the letters. Now you can see a mile away. Ain't that great? And these two here, I don't know what they are. I'm just letting them grow. And here we have the basic basil. You know that I did the sofrito and I made how you call it? I cut the top, the long leaves. I cut them down. Excuse me, that I have an allergy. And I cut them down and I used it for the sofrito. And that sofrito smells delicious. So, so there, you see how beautiful it is? Now I have to hang up. Look at that. Oh, God. I got to sweep this whole thing before my granddaughter comes. So, it's been nice talking to you guys. Hey, one day, let me see if I get the nerve to do a live chat. And maybe if you want to ask questions or whatever, you know. Let me see, I'm thinking about it. It's just that, I don't know. A lot of people that love showing their face. In Facebook, they over there click, and post different ways. And every day you see them posting and, oh, I'm gorgeous, And they love when their guys say, the people say, oh, you look so pretty. Oh, you look so gorgeous. Oh, you look this. I don't like it. I'm simple. I don't like showing my face that much. But if you guys are interested, let me know. And if I get more than 10 people that say they want to do it, I'll do the sacrifice. And we could meet each other. So let's see if you go for it. And if you really decide that you guys want to do a chat with me, I'll do it. But I need 10 people. At least 10 people to say, yes, I'll be there. Okay, so God bless you all. Until next time. Bye-bye.